Hey guys, welcome back to Resin. Today I'm going to be making Han Solo frozen in carbonite keychains with a galaxy on the back of each one. And if you want one of these, you can email me at the email in the description box below. There are 6 available for $10. That includes shipping, and randomly one will also receive this larger size Han Solo frozen in carbonite with the galaxy on the back desktop piece, and that is going to be just at random. Somebody will get that for free when you order one of the keychains. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into making these cool things. Okay, today we're going to be working with this mold. This mold is by Lucasfilm Limited. Yeah, so we're going to get into this. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some, I'm going to use this pewter gray Tecaroos pigments, and it gives a very cool kind of a silvery gray look, metallic look to the resin. So I'm going to do that, fill these molds halfway with that. And then I'm going to do, after that cures, I'm going to do kind of a galaxy swirl with different colors on the back. So we'll see how that turns out. Thanks for watching. I'm going to speed this up, and we'll just get into this. to get into this. This is finally finished. I ended up putting a last coat of clear on top and ready to demold, and I'm hopeful, very hopeful. I did spray this with a little bit of demolding gel. Ooh, that looks so cool. So now we got Han Solo in Carbonite on one side, and then on the other side we have a galaxy. Very cool galaxy. So I'm going to make some little keychains out of these, and those will be available. Super cool. Oh, Han Solo.